It's raining. Raining. Mommy, it's raining? Yeah? Yeah. I'm gonna go faster. It's raining. Yeah. Look at this. Oh, my Lord. Yeah, come on. Yeah, not that donut. Let's see. I can get you this donut. Donut? Yeah. Oh, you dropped it. We'll get a different chocolate, okay? Sit. Let me see if they have bagels. They actually changed. Now it's 5, but the same price. They took away 1. Now it says 5 instead of 6. That's fine. Okay. Okay, grocery haul. Let me get all the bags here. So Godzilla's got a lot to get in. Okay, I just came back from Ralph's, and this is pretty much the bags that I had. I couldn't film because it's raining outside. We never get rain out here, which is crazy, but lately we've been getting a lot of rain, so that's pretty cool. And yeah, the rain was messing up my camera, so I had to exit out of there. But this is what I bought, so let me unpack so you guys can see. And yeah, let's go. I bought this again because I actually liked it. Yeah, you can make this with bagel. I actually like that. It's good. But this is expensive. I think it was like $7.99. There's not much in it. I bought some pizza because my youngest son likes to eat this. He's a picky eater. I grabbed this. You want me to open that? Okay, hold on, baby. I bought this, burritos. Everybody likes to eat this, but I mainly buy it for my son. Okay, so I bought these donuts. I think this was $2.50. If you buy two, you get two for $5. But I think I bought one. I'm not quite sure. I don't remember. And then I bought these popsicles. You guys saw that. My daughter was screaming for this, the baby. So I'm going to put this in the freezer. And then I also bought Snickers. I love these. I eat those a lot. I only bought 4. These are $5, so it's not worth the price. But I bought them. And then, let me see. This is what I got so far. See what I got so far. Okay, so that's what I got so far. And then I actually had to replace this ice cream, you guys. I don't know if I did a video on this, but I bought this exact same ice cream at Ralph's, which I told you guys was $13 when I bought it. But actually, today was, I don't even know how much it was, but it was cheaper than what I paid for last time. But I had to replace it because, as you guys know, my refrigerator broke, and the people that replaced it took the ice cream. He literally stole the ice cream right in front of me. It's a whole thing. Anyways, so I had to replace the same exact ice cream. It wasn't even open, fresh, brand new box. And yeah, so that's what I was going through. So pretty much I have to replace that for the kids. I'm not an ice cream person. And yes, I did buy another donut. So what else? Hold on, baby. Help you? You want the pop? Okay, can I unpack the groceries first? It's a lot of junk food, huh? Yeah. So I bought, let me get it out the bag. Okay, so I bought this for the baby. These, I feel like these are better snacks. Even though she's older now, she still likes to eat them. I think it's healthier. I got this cookie snack. She eats it when she's desperate. My kids are very picky eaters. And then I got this one. So these are expensive. I think at Ralph's, I don't remember how much. I want to say $4.99 for one of this. Either $6.99 or $4.99. I'm not quite sure. Just for one. But it's a healthy snack. So yeah, I bought that. And then I also bought this chips because I'm gonna make you know, my Taco Tuesday taco. Yeah. Okay, Mama. So I'm gonna make Taco Tuesday. So yeah, I'm gonna use that. I already have some of the ingredients, so I bought that. So this is what it's looking like so far. Okay, they won't even let me unpack the groceries, and they already want the popsicles. So I am opening the popsicle. I hope it didn't melt. So the purple. What?
I won't keep it.
Dang, she's like, oh, Jesus. Okay, you get purple. And you get red. You want me to open it?
No.
Okay, you don't want that.
I want to.
You want his.
Huh?
Okay, I'll
I got
switch
the
it.
broken one.
I can pick it up and then pick up another one. All right. Let me just finish up unpacking because I still have more food to unpack. Okay, so I gave them their popsicle. Obviously, I had to open it, but I also bought milk for the older kids.
And the little kids.
Oh, you gonna drink it too?
Uh-huh.
Okay. And the little kids. So, yeah. I think I'm missing something. But yeah, I also bought these eggs. Every time I buy eggs, something happens with my refrigerator, and then I have to throw everything away. And it's really frustrating because eggs is not cheap. I believe this one was $10 at Ralph's. I could have got a better deal if I would have went to Costco, but Costco's pretty far, so we stuck with Ralph's. And Ralph's is quite pricey. Every time I go there, I get irritated with the price. Yes, so I got the eggs, and I think there's one more thing that I got. Not quite sure. Let me see if I can find it. Yeah, let me see if I can find it. So I did buy the bagels. So that was the last thing, the raisin bagels. This is my favorite food. Well, I don't know what you guys call it here in America. But this bagel is really good. The only thing is it's I think $5.99 or $4.99 at Ralph's. Not quite sure. I don't remember, but it's one of those prices. And they changed the bagel size. Now it's 5 bagels in size. This used to be 6. If I still have my old wrapper, I would show you guys that this bagel used to be 6. So they're cheating us, you guys. They took one out. And they're still pricing at the same price and took one out. So if you buy 2, you're missing 2 bagels pretty much. You're supposed to get 12 bagels. But anyways, I bought 2. I usually use this to eat that. Let me see if I can find it. Yeah, I usually use it to eat this. Like I told you guys, this is really good. This is $8.99, $7.99. I don't know. I'll check on the video. I'm sure I recorded the price. But yeah, it's not much meat in it. But you put this, bagel, fry some eggs, avocado. Oh my God, it's delicious. But anyways, that's it for the Ralph's. Yeah. And it's raining outside, but I would have preferred to go to Costco compared to price. When you have a large family, you want to go to Costco or Sam's Club or, you know, yeah. But anyways, thank you. Until next time. Bye.